Dear viewer, Assalamu Alaikum. I am Engineer Muhammad Rizal Haq. Welcome to my Automation Tools YouTube channel. We know in industrial system, different types of Woodward controller are using to control the different turbines. Nowadays, most usable Woodward controller is a Peak200. Today, I will discuss about the configuration procedure and monitoring procedure of different option of Peak200 Woodward controller by using function key or function keyboard. So, dear friends, let's start. So, here see that it is the Peak200 Woodward controller that is used to control the one of the turbine. It is the update model. Previous model was the 150 Peak 150. Now it is the Peak200. We want to configure this one by using the keyboard, that the keypad that available in this controller. I am using this one. I want to configure this one. So first we have to log in. Go to more, then go to the login option. In login option, you see the operator mode, service mode, and configuration mode. As we want to configure this one, so we have to go to the configuration mode, and configuration mode selected, then you go to put the password, then you can go to the configuration mode, then you can change the you can configure this controller as per our data sheet or as per our the required documents. So we select this one and press enter, then left down scrolling to give the password. Password is the WG1113. That means that it is the configuration password. That means the 1113 is the configuration mode password. Then press the login button. Then go to the configuration mode. Press the configuration mode. In configuration mode, it is saying that we have to go to in the IO lock mode. It is saying that IO lock mode in the for the focusing problem. I cannot see this IO lock mode. For the confirm, we select this confirm and press the enter. Then the left side corner you can see the CPU IO lock. It is CPU IO lock. The CPU IO lock, that means the in the configuration mode, the turbine must be in the stop condition. If this turbine not in stop condition, if you try to go to the configuration mode, then the turbine will be tripped. So go to the configuration mode. In configuration mode, the different menu we have to reconfigure. So first one is the turbine start. Select and then press the enter button. In this menu, turbine start menu, you can see that the turbine status. The start mode. Which mode you want to start this one? It a manual start or automatic start. The value, that means the valve linear raised to that showing this one. It's also showing the use configuration on start button on keyboard. We want to start by keyboard, but it's showing that only configure this one. Then go to the next one. Next one you see that ideal or governor setting. Ideal or minimum governor setting. The ideal speed set point is in 800, rate to ideal is 30, and the minimum governor speed is 4165. That means it is the minimum governor speed. That means when the minimum speed is 650, the governor will be try to control the turbine. So it is the minimum governor speed is here. If we want to change this one, we want to configure this one, we will select the menu and change the enter button. Then the edit option will be available, and then we can change this value. I have already put this value, so I am not changing this one. You can see I am only showing that how can we do this one. And then go to next mode. You go to the next mode is the speed signals. Another one configuration category is speed signal. In speed signal, you see that I have the 2 MPU. That's main processor 2 MPU. It is showing that the MPU 1 signal and MPU is a 2 signal. And MPU 1, you see, it is the turbine number of gear, it is the number of gear ratio, minimum speed level, minimum speed level. It is showing that we have to configure by 1. If you want to change, go to next one. Next one is the MPU 2 channel number 2, MPU input channel 2, and channel 2 is here. Here is the also setting value. You can set this one as per your the requirement as per our data sheet. We can change this one. Then we go to the another category is the speed set point. It is a speed set point. Another category is the speed set point, overspeed test, overspeed trip, minimum governor speed, maximum governor speed. All the speed set point you can setting is here. Step by step one can set this one. If you want to change this one, just select the menu and press the enter button. Then you can change this one. We can change this one as per our requirement. You should get to the next one. Next one is the speed set point. You can use remote speed set point. It is disabled. If you want to enable, just select this one. You see, select the cursor. Select the cursor. You see, I can show you how can we set the remote set point. That means you can set the speed by the external, by the DCS, like the local. You can set this one. So it is the if you want this remote set point can enable, then you can select this one and then press the enter button. You can see. Then go to the next one. Next turbine signal is finished. Then you can go to the communication. In communication, you see, press the enter button. You see it is the communication button, Ethernet one. This is the IP address that you need to configure the communication. The Ethernet IP configuration that it is need to the if this turbine if this monitor can controller we can be configured by using the software. So you need this IP address. Then next one go to the another setting one is the configuration cascade control. Also no need. If you need this one, you can enable this one. Press enter, then it is enabled. Then you see that the select and press enter button, they can enable, and no need to, you can just disable it here. Then another one is the analog inputs. It is the one of the most important inputs. If you want to some analog input can come from the side to the controller, because this one our turbine is no need this analog input, so I not configure. If you need this, you can easily configure to input the same procedure that first you can select this one the category, then you can put the value as per desired requirement. Then you can set this one. Suppose you have the remote set point, you can this also you have to be configure this here the analog input that comes from the site or come from the DCS or any third party system. Then you can use this one. You can go, you can analog input, select this one. How can you change by showing this? So select this one and then you select this reverse set point. Then you see it is the R dot scrolling dot is working, but it is the right side one. You see that it is the adjust button is will work. You can set that, you see in the right side you can try. Our trying depends whether it is working, not working. You see, just input can scrolling coming, but not cannot select. So in the right side is adjustment. The adjustment using the adjustment it can select that. I am showing that how can you use this one. If you can use this one, you can easily configure as per your data sheet or as per your requirement. You can change this one. So you see. It is also finished. Then the next one, we go to the next one that we already used to configure this one. Go to the next one. You can also the discrete input channel one. You can see all you can see it's from here. You can already you can setting this one. You can change this one. Next one you can go. When you can push that one, it will be say that is saving configuration or not. When you go back to home, then the IT set point will be show. You can want to change this one. You see, go back, or you can just go to home and you can change the analog input, analog output, another configuration parameter is analog output. You see, one of the analog outputs we are using is here. You see, analog output. Press the enter button. First you select this one, then you have to press enter. Then the edit mode will be active, and you can change this one as per our requirement. You see, select cursor and go to the here and press the enter button, and can you change as per your requirement which one of the analog output you want to link this with this input analog output. You can link this one and press the input button, then it can change easily. And it is very easy to configure this one. But first you have to select, then press the enter button. The edit mode will be active, and you can change this value as per requirement. Then you press the enter button, then it will be save or go to the normal mode. You see this one. Many analog inputs. There 4 analog inputs. Analog input 1, 2, 3, 4. You can change this one as per your requirement. Then you can configure as per your data sheet. So our need only one, so we configure only one. Then you go to the analog categories. Analog categories is the driver. Select, just press enter button. See, driver means the actuator output. That is the actuator that are only using in this in the outside. It is the you see the percentage of milliampere 0. When the 0 percentage, it is give the 0 milliampere 4 milliampere, and when the 100% that is give the 20 milliampere. And actuator output, you can also see that, you see the actuator range is 4 to 20 milliampere. You see that the ideal minimum governance physical power actuator, power actuator is self power actuator. Self power actuator, when you give the power from this one, and actuator is the then go to the another configuration menu. It is the contact inputs. Contact inputs means the digital input that coming from the third party system to the controller. In that controller, you can see here the many 8 analog contact inputs are available. We use only one, so we can go to the external input, and we have used only one. We can go to the and can you change this one as per your requirement. You see, just place the input in you can change this one as per our requirement. In my plan, need only one contact input, so I use only one contact. If you need 1, 2, 3, 4, you can use this one. So our contact input configuration is finished. Now we go to the main menu. You see, here the only one contact input is only configured. External input 1. That means the one external input comes from the third party system to tip this turbine. When the other system is tipped, then the turbine will be also tipped. So external tip configured is here. Then we go to the another input is relays. Relay outputs. Relay outputs means that it is the only summary relay. That means the relay output is only 4 relays available is here. You can also configure as per your requirement. You see, we also activate trip relay. We configure only one trip relay. Relay 1 we use, and then we configure just like as a trip relay. If the turbine is tripped, then the relay will be active, and the governor or the actuator, that means there will be trip and the turbine will be stopped. So we configure this one. As per your requirement, you can configure this one. Just only select and press the enter button. Go to the next one. Next one, if you need another relay you want to configure this one, you can go to it. Then go to the main menu, and another option is the another configuration menu is the, you see, link net or IONet node. That means you need another module, then you can do this one. Also no need this one. All the options are available that can be configured. You can press the save setting. You see, most important is save setting. After configuration, all of the configuration is finished, you press the save setting value. Then the configuration check. Press the configuration check. Then you have any error. Then if you have any error in the configuration, then we have to show the error, and what's the reason of this. You can also see from this here. So our configuration is 100% okay, and no error is available is here. So we can go main menu. That means go to the home page, and then you can see service site information. Site information you see here, and site information you put the site name, that another date setting you can also put is here. Now we see the service configuration, service mode. In service mode is a different option as it is available, and you also can see from this here. You can go to the, so first one is the service menu. So screen or key layout. Screen or key layout can set as per your requirement. The screen can be light is the what you can see the CPU status. The CPU is compending on this one, and another is the speed control. In speed control you can also see, go to there, you can also see the value of the speed control. You can also see the service mode. Before I was saying that the 3 modes are available. One is the operator mode, another is service mode, and another is the config mode. Config mode is used to configure all the data in the as per our requirement. Service mode you can set some of the service as per requirement. You can change this one as speed set. You can also change by the service mode. Also in the operator mode you can only start, stop, and only rise or stop the raise speed or lower the speed, and also stop the turbine in the 3 mode. And the 3 service mode have the 3 password, and one password is the WZ. All the passwords start from the WZ, and 4 is for the WZ 4 for the operator mode, and WZ 1112 is the service mode password, and config mode password is WZ 1113. This is the config password. Service mode, configuration password, and this is just a real-time clock. You can also set the time of the time and date. You can set by this using this menu. This in the controller as per the when the alarm will be come then the time and it have to be matched with your real time without can you understand what the real reason to turbine trip or the you can see also from this here you can put in the MPU. Another one is the MPU override. MPU override you can also see the data bin data you can see from here that it is not to configure. This all configured is already finished because the config menu all the data is configured and the service menu you can see this config data from is here, and also you can train data also you can see it automatically is active train you can see this at, but the manufacturer can set this one. It is the very easily you can see the start trend, the vibration trend you can also see from is here. It is no need to configure, it already configured. If you only configure the configuration menu, you can all the menu is configured, then can it will automatically see this very order. So go to the home page, you can also see this one if you need or the operation log. In operation log you can also see the number of turbine start, that means the how many times turbine start, turbine stop in the log. This is a log menu, it is the monitor menu, you can see on the data from this here. And then another is the key, you see another was the key high speed data log. High speed data log you also can see some data is in our continuous, you can see this one, you can no need this one to use this one. So it is a tutorial. You can another option is the tutorial. In tutorial you can see the different literature is available. How can we use this one, this manual you can see from here in the tutorial menu. In tutorial menu you can see Peak uses tutorial. Tutorial introduction, navigation, then when the soft key, all the instruction you can see here. How can you use this one, but how can you operate this controller? All the instructions are available in tutorial menu. And from here you can understand. If anybody cannot understand, but you can really cannot be want to learn about this, you can use this tutorial menu to learn about this one. You see all option is the mode is the function key inside the operator function, service mode, operator mode. For service mode you can see mode is operation, state operational, function is operational, command level operator, config mode is configure operation. That means you can configure all the three mode is showing this in the mode is over. And the PID, we go to the PID value, you can also see the PID setting. You can how to set this one, you can also see from this here. So it is the scrolling setting, you can see also this one, you can see this one is see this one like scrolling button, see all the operation you can say that press the save button. If you change the saving button, then so all the data will be saved from this here. So go to the home menu and you can check the, you see more config check the no error is available. Then you have to exit this one. After finish this one, press the saving button. Then all the data will be saved. We go to the exit configuration. If the exit configuration confirm, then the configuration will be exit, and all the key lock is saying is here the exit configuration mode is going to exit this configuration, and we go to the main menu. You see existing configuration setting save value, all the setting values are saving from here. So dear friend, I will try to show you how can we configure this Peak200 controller by using the keyboard key button. In the next video I will show how can you configure this Peak200 by using the remote view software. If you think my video is very helpful to you, please subscribe my channel. If you already subscribed, so thank you. Also like, comments and share to others that they can learn about my video. So dear friend, no more today. Assalamu Alaikum.
Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Also like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.